Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable accesses, get it on your iPhone. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on accessibility, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, so you keep going down. Then you just click here on get it accesses, just click on it. You come to next step here, you come here to get it accesses. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean get it accesses enable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.